CWRUcible is a program developed in the Technology Transfer Office. We work with the assets on campus, engineering students, weatherhead students, to try and put together a comprehensive solution around an idea.
In many of the student projects that we do in our design course, we ask them to do prototypes. We want them to be able to take their products or services out to test them with consumers. Oftentimes our students in the business school are lacking the capabilities to put those prototypes together.
A typical engineer might have the best invention in the world, but if only 5 people in the world are going to use it, it's really not that great of an invention. Building Scout was invented via a grant from the Department of Energy.
We created a cell phone app. What our app does is tell homeowners changes that they can make to minimize energy use, such as adjusting their blinds, changing their thermostat settings.
We found a lot of good things in their existing product, and then we also discovered a couple of weaknesses.
My strengths are really more in financial projections, so I was kind of spearheading the market analysis and the competitive analysis.
So I came at problems from a more legal side, maybe a more analytical side. We also had modules that include behavior modification and just giving alerts to consumers on how they're using energy and how they can better use it.
Having us actually interact with other people from the engineering school was a great way to see how people thought about it from the technical side.
The CWRUcible connection did for us is it gave the team that we assigned to work on this project an opportunity to work with a computer science student that had the ability to put together the kind of prototypes that the students could take to market.
As they're working through the code and developing the application, my role is to provide some mentoring and guidance as to what kind of technology they can be using, what kind of software.
In this project, my role was to help design the app from the coding perspectives.
It was really incredible to see her use all of these things that she had learned, apply them to a real project, and continue learning as she was going along.
So with this project, we were able to put our weatherhead students together with an alum of the university that's now a Bay Area venture capitalist.
I was honored to be, participate as a mentor to one of the teams, identifying and help them ask the right questions and navigate around product market fit and go to market.
I think he really had a strong impact in shaping where our project went and helping us find where we ultimately wanted to go.
For a lot of engineering students who never even think about the business world or starting their own business, this type of project can plant a seed in their head to think about what they're actually capable of doing.
To me, CWRUcible is the beginning of the conversations that can happen between our weatherhead students and folks on the other side of campus in computer science to help build great ideas and build great startups.